Hello, I'm Chris Fenton with the Fenton Team, and I'm down here at the Victoria Quay on a beautiful but frigid November day. The fog has just cleared off the river behind me, and the sun is starting to peek through, so it's starting to warm up just a little bit. Before I get into the market update with you, there's a couple things I wanted to tell you. The first is we wanted to, as the Fenton Team, we want to welcome Darren O'Shaney to our team. Darren is joining us as a buyer's agent, and we couldn't be more excited about it. Darren has a really strong background as an investor building and selling homes, so he understands real estate really well. He's also, in the past, has been the manager and continues to be the part-time manager of Magic Moments, which is a really well-known local business known for great customer service. So really has a lot of experience on both ends of this business, which is real estate itself and then customer service. So we couldn't be more excited to have him, and we're sure that Darren is going to represent our team with the utmost of enthusiasm and integrity and success. So welcome, Darren. The other thing, on a less serious note, is I just wanted to apologize for the mustache. It is, of course, Movember, so this will be our Movember market update. I can't tell you, with only a few days left in November, I can't tell you how excited I am to shave this thing off, so a couple more days here. Okay, let's get to the market. With a month left until the new year, it's finally time that I feel comfortable telling everybody out there a couple of things about the market. One is that I'm confident that this market is going to continue strong right through the winter and pick up in the new year strong. This is the busiest winter we've seen in a very long time. The other thing, which is more exciting, is that I'm ready to say that the market is rising here in the Alberni Valley. If you know me, you know I'm a numbers guy, you know I'm a stats guy. So that certainly plays part of it. The Vancouver Island Real Estate Board has a home price index that they publish every month, and it shows that for right now the market is up about 2.9% for the average home in the Alberni Valley. So that's a small increase, but the truth is that as a real estate agent that is pricing homes every single day, is in the just immersed in the business 7 days a week, 365 days a year, we can sort of feel it in our bones when things are changing, and the market is certainly increasing. There are two segments where the market really seems to be increasing, and the first is the most affordable homes. So anything under 150,000, those prices seem to be going up as the inventory is selling out and there's less coming on. So that's really exciting. And the other spot is really acreages. Anything on an acreage that is, say, under 400,000, under 350,000, those prices have definitely increased in the last 12 months. Now our typical house in the Alberni Valley, I haven't seen too much price movement there, so it's sort of the beginning of things, hopefully, and we'll see where that goes. So let's take a look at the stats and see what the numbers tell us. We'll look at first we'll look at October, so October 2015, and we'll compare it to October of 2014. This October there were 44 new listings of single-family homes in the Alberni Valley. There were 20 sales with a median sale price of $245,000 and an average days on the market of 49 days. In October 2014, there were 46 new listings with 19 sales, a median sale price of $207,000, and an average days on the market of 97 days. What's interesting here is that the average sale price isn't actually increased that much. What seems to have happened is higher end homes above the average home in Port Alberni, are selling in this fall and winter. So that's unusual and pretty exciting. Now, looking year to date, which is January 1st to November 15th, 2015, there have been 604 homes listed for sale in the valley. There have been 291 sales with a median sale price of $194,500 and an average days on the market of 82 days. For the same period last year, there were 586 homes listed, 233 sales, and a median sale price of $206,000 with an average days on the market of 100 days. So what really jumps out at me about those numbers is the unit sales. The number of homes that have sold this year is up 25% over last year, which is absolutely phenomenal and couldn't have us happier. So now that I have everyone smiling with all this great news, I'm going to bring us back down to earth. And what I mean by that is a couple of things. One is there's only a few segments in the market that seem to be rising right now. Things like land, strata units, condos, etc. And even your typical home in Port Alberni doesn't seem to have moved up in price at all. I would say that market is still very flat, very firm. The other thing is that the increases that we are seeing in the segments that are moving is fairly minimal. We're not seeing huge jumps. We're not seeing anything happen really quickly. In economics, we know that studying the past to predict the future is nothing short of crazy. So what I'm saying there is that we don't know what's going to happen in 2016. We only know what's happened so far in 2015. So we have to, all we can say is that right now is a great time. Right now we're smiling. Right now things are selling. So that's all we really know. So from Chris and Esther at the Fenton Team, I hope you have a great December. I'm looking forward to talking to you with a year-end update towards the end of 2015. If you'd like to get future updates, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter or YouTube, or shoot us an email and we'll add you to the growing email newsletter. So again, have a great December, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.